Hey guys, what's up? It's Mo here again, back with another YouTube video. Um, so in this video, I'm just going to show you another raw me uploading content. Um, but in this case, it's going to be for myself. I just started another, uh, I linked my um, Facebook and Instagram uh, pages to my Meta Business Suite. So you can see this. So this is me. This is my my Instagram page. Uh, yeah, let's just get started. So what I'm thinking right now is I created a YouTube video today talking about what kind of content businesses should make. I use roofers as an example. So I'm thinking about posting that to my social medias. So that's what this video is going to be for. So let's just get started. Okay. First things first, create a post. Great. So we're going to need ad copy. Let's bring out the notepad. Let me actually check OBS real quick. See if I can share my whole screen. Let's see, location, sorry, window capture. Okay, I'll mess around with this later. For now, I'm just gonna show what I'm doing. Online notepad. Cool. You guys can see this, right? Yes. Okay. So the three main things were three types of to post on social media for businesses. So one was informational slash value based content. The second one was behind the scenes slash personality content. The last one was transformation clients transformation content. Okay, so I'm just listing this stuff here. So for the ad copy, I'm gonna need this. Oh, what the heck? Okay, cool. AI grammar checker. This thing's amazing, by the way. This AI grammar checker, Quillbot AI, is completely free, and you don't even need an account. You do not need an account. Just upload your stuff to here. This is a test sentence. I'm gonna misspell test, and it's gonna catch it. So accept this, capital T, misspell test, and a rather period. Accept. Oh, what? They changed it. Okay, forget that. I don't feel like signing up. So let me start writing the copy for the post. And the copy is going to be for both IG and YouTube. So let's see. So hook body CTA, which is CTA is just call to action, which can be, I'll get into it. So hook. Let's say worried about content to create. Look no further. Let's do a magnifying glass. Uh, so for the body, this is the main part. There are three types of content you can create. let me not get straight into it. Let me give a little bit of an introduction in this hook, in this body. So most business owners are worried about the simplest thing in the world, creating content. Content does not need. It does not need to be complicated. Here are 3 types of content any business can create. So now I'm just gonna call this. Instead of what I've been liking recently is instead of 1, 2, 3, I like the check mark emoji. So we're gonna go here, check mark. I think green one's called check mark button. Okay, well, check mark. Yeah, okay, check mark button. Okay, copy. Paste 3 times. Space, space, space. Go. Whether you're creating videos, posts, Canva, or using Canva templates, content that is from these 3 types will surely attract an audience. An example would be a day in the life of. Nah, let's not do that. Let's do a um, how my roofing business gets, or how my roofing business creates, no, not creates, what's the word? I'm thinking of something like satisfies 5 customers per month or 10 customers per month. I don't think satisfies is the word. How my roofing business fixes roofs, for, so how my business, not a roofing business, fixes roofs for 10 happy, for 10 people per month. This type of video can be for, or this type of video slash post suits can fit in all 3 categories. Why? Because you provide information in the form, you provide information about business, you talking to the, let's just say video, this video fit, talking to the camera shows your personality, and you can show how 10 people transformed their old broken roofs into a newer, beautiful roof. Okay, this isn't the best copy, but we're just gonna take this to go into ChatGPT. and I'll show you what to do. So that's the body. Hook, one line, quick attention getter. Body, the main chunk of your content and what you're trying to explain. Call to action could be like leave a like or comment down below or book a call. It could be anything. You're telling the person to do something, the reader to do something. Okay. Trying to think of a CTA. So we're talking about business owners. So the audience will probably be business owners who would probably see this. So want, you know, let's just keep it simple. If you have any questions, ask them below. What types of content will you make? Okay, so now I'm going to get rid of this CTA part. I'm going to get rid of this body part and this hook part. This, not the actual like content, but just the sections. I got rid of the hooks section, like title, CTA, and body. Now we have this. This is the copy. Go into. Let me check something real quick. Let me see if I even need to log into ChatGPT. No, I don't. Okay, cool. So ChatGPT. Um, let's just get started with the prompt. I'll make this into a separate copywriting video, but this is just a prompt. I'm gonna make it real quick. Hey, I am trying to create a post on Facebook and Instagram talking about how business owners can create, not how, but talking about what types of content business owners can create for their social medias. I have the following. And put quotations just in case. Also, I'm going to go over this in a separate video, but you don't generally want to ask ChatGPT um, your main question off the bat. So you want to warm up ChatGPT just like you warmed up your social media accounts, right? Um, and that's real. You should warm up your social media accounts. That will also be in a separate video. Um, if you want the best answer from ChatGPT, you need to start by prefacing it with previous questions. So let me just do it right now. Why not? Hey, what kinds, what tone of content? Because what I'm trying to do right now is trying to get ChatGPT to modify my copywriting and make it suitable towards business owners. Um, an example I gave in the actual content of my post is roofers. So roofers will tend to be generally older, um, more mature, and more serious. They can be chill, but this is like a social media post, so you don't know who the person's going to be. So I want to focus on the tone. Hey, what tone of content do business owners attract towards on social media? I mainly want to post on Facebook and Instagram. And this is just the initial prefacing questions. The more data you give, the better. If you give it one sentence, it's gonna like do its best. If you get as much data as possible, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sentences, the better. Um, so this stuff, you can read it. I don't really care. Now it's starting to get warmed up. The second prompt I'm going to give it is, so we started with what tone is Can you give me some examples of what type of content business owners can create? Give me 5 examples. Now, to be honest, this can be like, you can ask this for your copywriting. I'm not going to do that. I'm showing you how to warm up your prompts. So now it's going to give you these. I'm just going to say, give me 5 more. I like number, say, 1's good, 2's good. Oh my god, bro. It's literally saying what I said. Lesson I learned. Oh, I should have used that. Behind the scenes, day in the life is what I use. Educational tech quick hack is what I use. Client success story is what I use. Why I started my. That's a good one. I should post that. That's actually a good one. So let's just say I like 2, 3, 4. Give me 5 more like these. Yeah, I honestly at this point don't care what it says. It's warming up the prompts. We are warming up ChatGPT with our pre-facing prompts. So now I'm going to ask it the main prompts. I'm trying to create a post on Facebook and Instagram. Talk about what types of content business owners can create as the following. So now what I'm going to say, after I pasted like my actual copy, I'm going to say, what should we ask it? Can you make this content suitable towards business owners? Keep in mind what tone and style business owners are most attracted to on Facebook and Instagram. The specific example I gave in my post is for roofing businesses. Please please modify the tone to suit these types of business owners. Clean up the grammar and add emojis where needed. I'm not that good at adding emojis, so ChatGPT can do it for you. Look up this information if needed. This is my prompt. I'm trying to create a Facebook post targeting business owners and how they can create their social medias, create content for social medias. This is my post. And then I just give it a bunch of stuff to do, like check for tone, check what business owners like, um, check how they want it, check what's most popular, fix the grammar, add emojis, that kind of stuff. So basically a game. Oh, and this is the post I'm creating is an information post for myself. Um, so it's not an ad. If it's an ad, you really want to keep it short. This is like an information post, so I want to be as like authoritative as possible, um, and just give as much value as possible. So that's why I'm fine with this being this long. So let's just double check. I got rid of the emoji. Okay, nice. It gives details on what these are. Cool. Example for roofers. Cool. Wow, it's literally saying what I said in the previous video. That's how you know I know what I'm talking about. Okay, remember when you use camp templates? I don't like this part. I'm gonna get rid of that part. Post copy. Hey, post copy? Post copy. I'm telling you guys. Okay, now we have this. I'm not even gonna paste it in here. Let's just go to here. And I'm trying, this is gonna take me like probably 20, 30 minutes for this like one post. It's not going to take that long. I'm just explaining my thought process for you guys to try to keep it simple. Um, this will probably take me, for a detailed post like this, like 10 minutes. 10, 15 minutes, uh, depending on if I have to use Canva. I'm probably going to use Canva for this. Yeah. Let me just double check. Uh, this is fine. What made each one different? That's a good one. I don't like this part. I don't care about that part. And so I'm going to replace it with, I might actually keep it because it's giving you a little bit more information. So it gives you the whole body and then example, and then it transitions slowly to the call to action. If you just give it the body and go straight to the call to action, it's gonna be like pretty abrupt. Like, hey, this is the example, or sorry, this is what type of content you should post. This is the example. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Like, it's pretty abrupt. You don't want to do that. So I'm gonna leave this in actually, because it's saying, as long as you do this kind of content, you're good. Got any questions? Ask below. So that's good. Oh yeah, Instagram needs to post a video. Okay. Um, I might just post right now. I don't care about that. But we need to create a post for Instagram. Checklist. Notepad. Or something like that. Oh, this one's. I don't have Pro right now. This one's really good. Let's try to find one that's free. Because it has the checkboxes. That's really good. That's also Pro. Dang it. Let's just use this one. I already have a folder, so I'm going to use my folder. Post images. Cool. Gonna change this to. Come on, Canva. Move this. Move this thing away, please. Okay, I can still. What content business owners can create? Let's just do this part first. I kind of want to add a. Oh shoot! What did I do? There we go. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. Okay. I kind of want to add a text box. This is Roboto font, so we shall use the same. Do this one of the more of the following. make this bigger. Line this up, center it. Informational. Right now I'm just centering these. Let's do client or customer. And I want to bullet these. There we go. This one. Use. Why is it all caps? Let's not do uppercase. Use one or more of the following. Cool, that's good. Download. You can't see it, but in top right corner, you click share, click download, it'll download. Okay, it's in my downloads folder. Let me check if it's good. Yeah, it's good. Okay, perfect. Now, you can add upload from desktop. Cool. And I'm just gonna schedule this for 1 in the morning. That's not professional. Let's just do 9. 25th. Yep, it's perfect. Because 25th is Friday. And what I just did right now is shows your story. Yeah, I can make it. That's fine. Why not add it to my story on Facebook? So it's gonna post on Facebook, create a story on Facebook, and then it's gonna make a post on Instagram. Instead of saying, well, I do want to drop my YouTube channel. So instead of saying any questions, drop them below. Or visit my YouTube channel for more content like this. YouTube is capital Y, capital T. There we go. I don't want to say or. Let's just do both. So visit. Let's just check if it works. Cool. The reason why I went to incognito is because it clears all your browser cookies. So if you give it a link, sometimes links will be customized towards what your um, current login credentials are, or preferences, or it'll give you a personal token that you can't use anywhere else. So if you go on incognito, that's basically like a new, completely new browser. Um, you cannot see it. I just realized. What I'm doing right now is basically going on incognito, pasting this link into it and seeing if my YouTube shows up, and it does. Meaning this is my YouTube channel link. So it's perfect. Put it in Meta Business Suite. in the morning. Schedule. Do not need to boost your posts, okay? You don't. Facebook, Instagram. Perfect. Perfect. And because since I schedule it for 9 in the morning, I can still modify it if I need to. So if I click on the post, click edit, it'll modify the post, and then just publish now. But we do not need to do that because we are good. All right, that's basically it. I don't need this online notepad. Clear this. Clear ChatGPT. Shout out to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this, it's probably gonna be on my YouTube channel, but Canva's also good. Um, Perfect. So I hope you guys like this. It's just me going through and showing you how I create content for my social medias. This is my own personal social media, so I'm talking to business owners and what content they can create. Um, I hope you guys found this informational, easy to follow, and all the stuff I use right now is completely free. You don't need to pay for a single thing. Instagram, Facebook's free. The business manager, this Meta Business Manager suite, I mean the business suite, that's also free. Um, it does take time to set up and it might be a little bit confusing, so you might need to follow a video on it and you need to warm up your um, social media accounts before you do this stuff. This Meta Business Suite, but this is all completely free. Canva is free. If you want to pay for Canva, go ahead. It's like 15 a month, $15 a month, I think. But Pro is really good. I used it for a month and it's really good. So right now I'm on the free version, but I'll buy the other one later. Uh, Hope you guys found this video informational, easy to follow, and hope you found some value in it. This is just what I do. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you want me to do this stuff for you for your business, um, then there's gonna like the content, the ads, that kind of stuff. Um, there's gonna be a link down below. I'm not even gonna charge you for it. I just want to see how I can help your business. Um, we're gonna call and then we'll go from there. Hope you guys found this. Um, I already said that. Nice. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.